when you've never seen something like this. Now I want you to stand on the blue. The gentleman can join you on this side. Now what we have here is a 3D TV. Now, you don't get this a lot. You've seen 3D. Yeah. Now 3D, you just switch it on. No glasses. No glasses on 3D.
Hi, good day, and welcome to ESQUIRE. You are on the verge of brand new technology. 3 dimensions without glasses. It's up to you to believe in the dimensions. All you need to do is follow my fingers. You need to focus on my fingers. You are not focusing enough. Focus more on my fingers. All you need to do... Thumbs up. Baseball's eye thumbs up.
Daar's 'n camera. Daar's nog 'n camera in de. Well done, man.